Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create commercial photo masks. Start by opening your image and duplicating the background layer to maintain a clean, non-destructive workflow. Then use the Object Selection tool to isolate the main subject or product. Switch to Mask Overlay mode to refine edges with precision, focusing on clean contours, accurate shapes, and smooth transitions that meet commercial quality standards. Pay extra attention to areas that define product value, such as logos, edges, reflections, and textures. Once the mask is applied, use clipped adjustment layers to control exposure